Welcome back to our tutorial video. In this video, we'll walk through how to manage slider items, how to add a new slider image to the platform, and where that image will appear. Start by visiting marketplace.alldental.com. Click on Login in the top right corner and log in with your admin credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the admin panel. Now, click on Visit Store from the admin panel. This will open the main storefront in a new tab. At the top of the store page, you'll see a slider. These are the images that automatically rotate. These are the images you can control from the admin panel. Let's go back to the admin panel and click on Slider from the left-hand navigation. To add a new slider, start by selecting the language. Next, you can add a title to the slider. Let's enter Test Slider. This is optional, so you can leave it blank if you don't want a title to appear. Then add a description. For example, Test Description. Again, you can leave this empty if you prefer no description. In the link field, you can enter a URL where users will be directed when they click the slider. You can also leave this blank. Next, set the order of the slider. For example, if you enter 4, the slider will appear as the 4th item in the rotation. In the button text field, you can optionally display a button over the slider. Enter some text for the button or leave it blank to skip it. Under the animation section, choose how the slider will appear. There are several animation options to explore and choose from. Now move to the image section. Upload your slider image. Make sure it matches the recommended dimensions, or it may be cropped. There's also an option to upload a mobile image. You can use the same image or a different one optimized for mobile screens. Once you've filled everything in, click the Add Slider Item button. Now head back to the store and refresh the page. Use the arrows on the slider to navigate, and here it is, your newly added slider image. Let's go back to the admin panel again. Here you'll see a list of all previously added slider items. You can edit any of them or delete one using the Select an Option dropdown. Let's go ahead and delete the slider we just added. Click Delete, and it's removed immediately. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the Slider Settings section. Here, you can enable or disable the slider using the status toggle. You can also choose the display type, full width or box. Full width will stretch the slider across the screen, while box will keep it within a container. Let's change it to box and hit Save Changes. Now refresh the store page. You'll see the slider images are now displayed within a box layout. Back in the admin panel, you can also change the effect. Choose between fade or slide animations. Once you've made your choice, click Save Changes. And that's it for this video. You've now learned how to add, customize, and manage slider items on the AllDentall marketplace. Thanks for watching.